To deweed or not to deweed? Well, by the book you always need to deweed, right? But you don't have to go by the book all the time. For example, here, my wife and I grew mint in a bottle, and look what's here on top of the bottle. This is a very interesting plant. This plant closes or shuts its leaves at dusk and again reopens only after dawn. Okay, so throughout the night, the leaves are shut close. There are very few plants like this. So, this was actually a weed. I didn't intentionally plant it. It just started growing and then it grew out of the bottle. So I have just let it be because it's so interesting. The leaves are open now, but they shut when it's dusk. So I've let it be. I didn't pull it out. In fact, it is a weed, right? Because it was not intended to grow amidst all the mint, but it has grown. But anyway, I've let it be. I'll give you one other example. Check this out. Now, you won't believe what I intended to grow here. My intention was actually to grow a tomato plant, fine. But then there were so many weeds. You know, when one thing which my wife and I follow is, I learned this from her, not to deweed at the initial stage. Whenever a plant grows, the first leaves that you see are actually not true leaves. They are called cotyledons. Fine. So these cotyledons may not resemble the leaves of the plant which they will grow into. They look nothing like the actual leaves. Okay, they may look very different. So it becomes very difficult to identify any plant at this stage. So what we do is we let the weeds grow a little more past the cotyledon stage. Then we can identify the plant and then the weed, and then you can either decide to pluck them out, or if this weed turns out to be um, something interesting, you can just let it grow. So that's what I did here. The tomato plant, I'll show you where it is. Here is the tomato plant. Poor thing. So all of this is actually amaranth leaves. This is a green amaranthus variety. What you get commonly at your grocery store is the red variety. This too can be used for cooking. It is supposed to be very nutritious, rich in vitamin C, K, and even manganese. Okay, so I thought, why not just grow amaranth? I already have many tomato plants, so I just let the weeds grow beyond the cotyledon stage. Then I could identify that this was amaranth leaves, and I just let them grow into thick foliage like this. So today I'm going to harvest all of this and cook something out of it. So yes, so that's the conclusion. You don't have to always go by the textbook. You can let the weeds grow and just check what they are before you pluck them out. And once you let them grow beyond the cotyledon stage, you can actually identify what they will eventually grow into, and then decide whether you want to grow them or the plant that you intended to grow. Okay, good luck. If you like this video, do subscribe, click on the bell icon, and see you all next time with a new video. Bye bye.